What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Zip app in just a few quick, easy steps. The first thing we'll do is tap into our Zip app. You'll get logged in. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and create an account. At the top, you'll see your spending power. We can scroll down through here. You'll see top brands, Amazon, Old Navy, Overstock, T-Mobile, Chewy, Macy's. You'll see our picks. Right now it's Best Buy, gift cards, Walmart, eBay, Instacart. You can see sponsored brands, Groupon, Michael Kors, Ulta. There's a section for Halloween. There's game day essentials. You can use this to pay your bills. You can even use this for gift cards. At the very bottom, you'll see Give 10, Get 10. Gift your friends $10 and earn $10 for each friend that makes their first app purchase. You can tap on Invite Now, and this will let you send a link to your friends to have them sign up for the app. When they make their first installment, you'll get $10 and they'll get $10. You can tap on Learn More to learn a little bit more about it. You share your code. They get a reward. When your friend signs up and enters your referral code, they'll get a reward applied to their first app purchase, and then you'll get the reward. When your friend pays off the first installment, you'll receive a reward applied to your next app purchase. So make sure to send this out to your friends, guys. You'll get a free $10. They'll get a free $10. I'm just going to tap into Walmart here to show you how this will work. It'll pull you up to the Walmart website. You can scroll through and choose anything that you might want to purchase. I'll just scroll through and choose a vacuum. You'll add this to your Walmart cart. You'll get the total including tax, and then you'll tap on Pay with Zip and type that amount in here. You'll tap on Continue, and it'll take you through a couple prompts. You'll make your first installment payment, and then you'll schedule your next couple payments. There's another way to search for things. You can enter the URL of a website. You can just copy and paste. Here, I just pasted my cart from Google. You tap on Visit URL, and it's the same process as before. You're going to get the total, which is $182.90. You'll tap on Pay with Zip. You'll enter the amount, $182.90, and then you'll go through the next couple of steps of making your first installment payment and then scheduling the next couple of payments. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helped you figure out how to use the Zip app quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this one. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.